We're going to continue looking at circle graphs. Earlier this week, we took a look at interpreting circle graphs. Next, we are going to construct circle graphs with specific data given. As a refresher, a circle graph represents data using sections of a circle. The different sections of a circle are called sectors. A central angle is an angle formed by two radii of a circle. The vertex of the angle is at the center of the circle. So here the vertex would just be right in the middle of the circle. In order to find the central angle, all you have to do is multiply the decimal by 360 degrees. We will walk through one example. This is the same example that is with the textbook questions. Here we have a set of data for grade 7 students and their internet use. We have 3 students that use the internet 0 times a week, so 0 days. They don't use internet at all. We have 9 students that use the internet 1 to 3 days, 18 students that use the internet for 4 or more days, for a total of 30. We're going to solve for the percent, the decimal, and then the central angle. As you can see, the totals, we have 100%, 1, and 360 degrees. These represent all wholes for its given category. In order to find the percent, all you have to do is take the number of students divided by the total number of students, multiply by 100. So here we have the percent. We have 3 students divided by 30 multiplied by 100 is going to be 10%. 9 students divided by 30 multiplied by 100 is going to be 30%. 18 students divided by 30 multiplied by 100 is going to be 60%, and that will add up to 100%. Remember, when you're converting from percent to decimal, all you have to do is move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So we have and that will add up to 1, so 1 whole. Next, what you have to do is take the decimal, multiply by 360 to be given the central angle. So we have 1/10 multiplied by 360 is equal to 36. We have 3/10 multiplied by 360, 108. Then we have 0/10 multiplied by 360, which is 216. So all of these are going to be angles, and they add up to 360 degrees. Remember, when we're working with circle graphs, the total is 360 degrees, or 100%. Next, I will show you how to draw in the angles in a circle graph. It doesn't have to be completely perfect. You can use a protractor because you'll have to use it for the angles. I'll quickly draw in the vertex. So it's going to be about there. So we're going to have 3 different sectors of our circle graph. We'll take a look at the first one, 36 degrees. So you line it up and look for 36. This will be about there. Connect it. And then I just forgot to connect it here too. Like I said, it's not going to be perfect. So we have, this is the 36 degrees, which is 0 days. Which is only 10%. Next, let's put the 108 in. So take protractor and you're going to measure 108 degrees. So 90, 108, maybe about there. And then you're going to draw it in. And that is 1 to 3 days, 30%. Then here it would be your last angle, which is 4 plus days. That's 60%. So when you look at your circle graph, you can tell that it's pretty accurate, 10%, 30, and 60. So this all adds up to 360 degrees, and the percentages add up to 100%. You can color them in if you want. It'll just make it look a little bit nicer, but I'm not going to color them in. You can do it for your assignment though.